Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Binance spot trading for beginners. So let's get straight into the video. So Binance spot trading is the most direct way to trade crypto, where you buy or sell assets like Bitcoin immediately at their current price. Unlike futures or margin trading, there is no leverage involved, meaning you only trade with the funds you actually own, which significantly lowers your risk of total loss. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Binance application and tap on the spot or tap on the trade at the bottom. Then ensure that spot tab is selected at the top, just like that. Then you want to simply go ahead and select a trading pair. So search and tap your coin like BNB and quote the currency like USDT. Then you want to simply go ahead and understand the order book. So red orders are from sellers and green are from buyers, and middle number is recent mark price right over here. Then you want to simply go ahead and choose the order type. You can pick market for instant swap or limit for precise price control. You can choose either of those. Enter your amount that you want to simply go ahead and invest, and then you can simply go ahead and execute the trade by clicking on the buy or sell. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.